made the glass plug.
Put that brown to the side. Put that brown to the side.
We can do it.
Put that brown to the side. This shit so crazy when you love a lady, but she playing games. Got you feeling like what if you kill her? Would it be the same? Everything these bitches sell through it.
Anyways, what's up, YouTube? What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? We are currently on our way to St. Augustine, Florida, on I-4 right now. It's finally got some good weather in. We're heading out there to do a Titan window. Had this dude reach out from the last video. Said, hey man, he seen the video. He started following me on Instagram, and he reached out to me saying, hey man, I need that window done on my single cab. What's it gonna cost? You know, I'll pay your expenses, whatever it's gonna take for you to come out here and do that window, because he wasn't able to bring it. So man, we calculated a little bit, gave him a price, and he said, bet, give me a week. So a week later, man, he hit me up saying if I could come out there and do it. So we're on our way to do it. So in the future, man, y'all need my window put in Cali, goddamn Washington. I had some dude hit me up in Baton Rouge, but yeah, if y'all need a window done, hit me up. I'm willing to travel. So right now we're on our way. We're passing. We live about an hour away from Disney. For all our followers out there, a lot of people from Cali. So we're on our way. Gonna get this shit knocked out real quick. I got everything I need. Got the window in the back. I got the mold in. Got the drain pan back there. So I'm pretty excited. I've been to St. Augustine like a long ass time ago, if I remember right. But you say you haven't been?
Yeah, I've been.
Oh, so she, my wife has been, but
With my family.
But
my dad.
Yeah, I say but a lot. And I'm burnt yesterday because I was in Orlando. Matter of fact, out here in Orlando doing a Titan window yesterday.
And we were in Orlando going to Universal.
Yeah, well, they out there riding rides. I'm out there burning. So
you did a
oh, then I also did an HD hood conversion. It's an MBS new body style hood, Chevy hood, and I cut it to fit a GMC Sierra. So I'll be putting up a video on that. So y'all check out the channel, check out all the shit on there, all the different videos.
My nice hat.
And y'all keep subscribing. And
that I got from what is it?
I don't know, we got in Houston at
Rockin' Boots.
Rockin' Boots. Yeah. Shout out to Rockin' Boots. They're pretty nice out there. They definitely hooked us up.
They did. Yeah, they were really cool.
So y'all give Rockin' Boots a follow. But y'all subscribe, like these videos, share them, and I'll keep posting more. So stay tuned for the trip. Passing Daytona right now. I didn't realize this shit was on the East Coast. Here 3 hours later, tired as shit. Alright, we pulling up.
You want to take off the address?
I will. Yo, that little truck is clean.
That's nice. Nice.
Clean little truck. Got the glass out. Started cutting the panel out, but my damn battery died, so I had to run to Home Depot real quick, get another cutoff wheel. But it's getting there, guys, getting there. Getting the rubber molding on.
Yeah, most of the time I lived here in North Carolina. I grew up over in North Carolina, and then like after I started working, then I just moved over here.
Why?
Nah, bro, me too. I'm still camera shy. Other times I get in moods, I'm like, man, I don't even want to record it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I might need help on the side. On one side. The only thing is maybe just on the edge of the rubber, you see how the molding's folding over? If you could just hold it like flat like that. Not too far, because I don't want it to slip out, but just like a little out.
Like this?
Yeah. That's a good idea, putting that tape right there on the corner. That way it don't tuck under. So right now, with the bolt-on method, you see how the bolts fit? It overlaps the edge, and you just crank these things down. Let me see. You crank them down until you get them tight. And then it leaves a nice tight gap up there. Look at that. God damn, boy. Coming out pretty clean. What's up, guys? It is currently, it's about 11 o'clock at night. Didn't get done with the window.
Get on your left, babe.
I didn't get done with the window. I got it all glued in, got the drain pan in. Got it almost all done. All I got to do is just, I already wired it. All I got to do is connect the switch and seam seal the drain pan tomorrow in the morning, and I'm all done with it.
You're gonna turn on left on 8th Street.
Well, right now we're about to check into the hotel, get some rest, knock it out in the morning, then maybe tomorrow we'll check out St. Augustine.
We're tired.
Tired as fuck. My back hurts.
We're staying at the Guy Harvey Hotel.
There ain't nobody out on these streets in Tampa, or where we live. You be seeing drunk people walking and shit.
Ow. I'm so tired.
The food smells good.
I think you have to go to the back. Or where are you?
I think you're checking right here.
Oh, pause.
Pause.
Yes.
Man, I'm almost got it done. I just got to seam seal the drain pan tomorrow and connect the switch. I already wired the switch. I just got to connect it and I'm done. So that ain't bad for a day's worth of work. I'm glad I could hook the homeboy up. He's from North Carolina. He's a part of North Carolina Street Trucks, I think it's called, he said. But yeah, he was pretty cool, man. Humble ass dude. I appreciate you hitting me up, bro. I'm glad I can help you out. That's it. Got it all done. Solid. Molding looks good. I just taped it up so it would sit extra flat once he pulls it out in the sun. But man, it came out really good. Check the top out. Nice and flat. Couldn't ask for anything better. Got the drain pan done. I'm getting it all glued in right now. I go heavy on the seam sealer just because I don't want to have no issues in the future with no leaks or anything. But came out really sweet. And some people seal these up, but eventually the seal breaks and it just starts leaking in there again. So that's the reason why I made the drain pan. All right, 100% done. He actually had the little 12-inch sub, so they still actually fit back there, which is pretty cool. So the seat shuts. Call it a day. I mounted the switch down here. It didn't have that upper piece like that other one, that like the last video did, or that little panel. So we decided to put it right here. Remember guys, so y'all keep subscribing and liking these videos and I'll keep doing more. We're actually gonna be, he's gonna be bringing it down, not this week, but next week for a sunroof. And then eventually he wants to get it painted and color matched. But man, this thing's pretty clean. Oh my God, it's fucking freezing. We didn't even bring one sweater, did we? Yeah, yesterday, goddamn, yesterday was 90 degrees. I thought I was gonna go swimming today.
Not even cool.
So we out, leaving the hotel, tired as hell. About to get some good food and then hit the road. So yesterday was about 90 degrees. Today it dropped down to like 58.
It's 58? Oh my God.
I thought I was gonna see the pool, relax in it, get in the hot tub. Hell no.
We might have to go buy a little change of clothing. Depending on the weather.
We didn't go up it. Too goddamn tired. Yeah, there is somebody up there though. It is open.
Yeah, it's open. Stay in a yacht. Like, you know how they do what is off the water? Like, stay there to sleep.
Like on a boat?
Yeah, they have them on Airbnbs.
Never heard of that thing.
That'd be cool. Yeah, I've seen them before on Airbnb. That'd be a cool
Left or right?
experience. To the right.
Oh, this menu look good. I'm gonna get that.
Dude, I'm just gonna get it too because I don't see nothing else that I want.
Got the group or something. We both got the same thing. It smells good.
It's really good. Yeah.
So they have fried Oreos at that restaurant. I never seen fried Oreos at a restaurant.
They didn't call them fried Oreos.
Only at the fair.
They called them. What are those things in Louisiana that they make that they're called benines? Benines.
I don't know.
I'm saying it weird. Baguettes.
Baguette.
I think it's a baguette.
Baguette's like a bagel.
Oh my God! Then no, I'm saying it wrong.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
It was on the movie, the little, what's it called, with the princess and the frog. And she would make them, and then she wanted to open up her restaurant. And she made like the best ones.
This one better.
You know, you can press play on the music and then it'll work.
For real?
For real.
Get a copyright.
Shoot at him, don't play with